I never got a choice to be a girl or a boy.
Whatever she wants to be.
Yeah. Yeah,
But it's just
We don't, it's like one in a million.
yeah, man.
That one. Yeah. It's like one in a million.
That's why my voice all heavy. And people are say, yo, she makes herself talk. So, no, that.
That make it a million.
Yeah, man, me and that have to bigger than for most boy. You see, I walk around the place.
I can't stand her right now.
When me get erection, mine real. No lesbian can tell me about that. No lesbian don't know it feel like you have an erection. I can tell you what it is. Cause if you see a girl of me like right now, mama, tough. Would not big enough for your hole in the hand. You know what I mean?
Can't stand you know. You know, Vanessa.
Hey,
Can't stand you know.
and two, you see me look at it?
Bring it all the way around.
Where is that come next year when it's up? I should be in
But she not know it.
yeah, man. I don't feel kind of. I got the truth.
1 week she better have it on. Let's me war.
What?
How is this?
You know, at least I like her. You know, she start the show.
Be a truth.
She never get a chance to be.
She never get the chance
Wanna
to
get
be
the
any
chance
of
to
them.
be girl, I wanna keep that. Wanna get the chance to be man and I keep that when me get the chance to be two I wanna. Love me, me live my life.
It's special.
It's special like creamy crackers. You got milk?
Yes, this is my hairdresser guy. Her name is Julie. Yes, she's gonna be slating her hair.
A lace front and do it. And after this, I'm gonna drink away this style.
Instagram page is Sky Jules.
So her Instagram page is Lace by Jules.
Big up my hairdresser.
You see?
I come out. All of the girls them will like Batman.
You log in for no one there? Oh.
Make sure I straight it. I want to go my girlfriend and tell me, yeah, for real, get some ear, because I miss your ear, and I probably she wants to be 2 years now. You like jag ear now? You like jag ear now, man?
I wouldn't know, man. Yeah.
Me know about man jag in the head, so man. Man jag in the head. I love back arrow.
Yeah, I know. Hold on. Let me go this way. Lace front. Oh, yeah, them boy. Lace front. How sweet. Yeah, look at this. Look at it. Oh.
Hey, is my girlfriend on there? My girlfriend on there?
I haven't seen her yet. Maybe I haven't seen her yet. Well, Sharika's to make goodie. I get wig. Yes, I get wig. Look.
I'm gonna get baby here too. Come on. Come on.
Everybody with them smiley face. You watching? Okay. You're on there? Oh, she's on there now? I didn't see her. You gone up to 115 already. Look at this! Yes, goodie. Look. Yes. Yes. Jules by Lace on Instagram.
Yes, sir. Well, come on. Yeah.
Oh, Andrea says she's proud of you.
I love you. Yes,
What's your Finn said wave for the baby ear. Umbo did they laugh? Eh? What's your Sonia say you need lash too? No, you gonna put on lash? Okay, just can't bother. history in making. Love to this history in making. Look how it long. Look how the ear long. Pretty Vanessa, girl, dollop. Mula, that's a clap. Mula, behave, go away. Hold on. Andrea says she swear you're pretty, yo. Need some lashes now. Mula, go away.
Right, girl, look like a Spanish dolphin, girl. Girl, look like a Portuguese dolphin right now.
Thank you, Umbo.
I'm accent share.
Amanda, yeah. Amanda says she pro. Oh, yes, look at this.
My cleaners, you know. But the people them man, they don't need one, I don't know. Nobody need to cool down. Yes, girl. Blow me there. Blow me there.
Yes, she named Pretty Dan. Her name is Venice today.
My name is Venice Samantha Park.
Yes,
remember
get it,
that.
girl.
Goodie. They come for now, no man, and I better lock him up. Lock him up in our house.
Mula said if I stop you.
Mula,
God bad already.
You can't change again, Lord. Let me tell you when they gone mad from. The day when my mother and father fucked, they should have never do it.
So what the hell in curry chicken and fried chicken going on here, Serena?
I mean, you're macaroni, girl.
Yeah. It's a big up the hairdresser, yes. Jewels by Lace, Instagram. No, it's not actually. It looks nice, right? Yes. Looks very nice.
Yeah, I'm come on, people, man, more. No man come and say that too much fresh that.
Yes, and Sonia said as the ear go and Venice come out. You sure say you want style? Okay, they say you need to stay still so your hairdresser can finish your ear. Alright. Alright. Them say you need your own talk show.
More own talk show? You're Pretty Dandy General. I said the show here. Pretty Dandy General.
Eric said they like the hairdresser. Thank you.
At the ear we are showing, not people woman. Yeah, me and the public in the ear, them look at
Candy say if it stay still.
we have to do a face for each child.
Mula, you get cut off hero with your brother. Add Facebook era, call Facebook era. Mula, behave yourself, okay? I'm in the salon, I can't do anything. Greg. Them say if I connect to Era. He didn't came on yet. No. No, I know. Marv say in a good hands. Mula, well, I didn't see Era. You're there at 215. They need BET. That's a Ravenese. See? Them say you're pretty both ways. I told you. Yes. Man, I'm saying pretty both ways.
Then Nicki Minaj to watch out. Come in, bitch. This is nice.
Oh, they love the hair. She's very pretty. Hair and no hair. Love it. Mm?
Yes, you want me to see if I go make pie. Long Island ice cream. Me feel yourself, girl.
You feel yourself?
Feeling myself.
Alright, boy.
We are go over the bar. The people don't get live yet. You put on the battery that's getting. If a man, come in.
Hairdresser, Jules. Oh? Lace by Jules. Instagram.
The hairdresser art. Yeah.
Yeah, she in there trying to pick up her hairdresser now. You see this?
The hairdresser bully girl. They all around. You look like a cover hairdresser somewhere. Don't watch my baby here. Them on a vex here. Vex man.
They say you need a talk show. Venice, yeah.
Yeah. Tell them watch out for your belly soon.
Oh, me not gonna deliver that message, you know.
Watch out for the belly. It's very soon. Not coming out. Right on me.
And it's a good girl, come on. I like it.
Oy. People man, I'm coming.
Yes, Fraser.
People man, we look for this.
Okay, Rankin says it's about time you doll up. Tashika said, Mula, where y'all go with me? Where y'all go with me tomorrow night? Boy, am I go out with me tomorrow night?
Sure, we are good. Me and Mula going out. What you talking about?
Seven, me don't know how to put on makeup, so I don't know the makeup part go, because I don't wear makeup.
All I need is like a foundation, lip gloss,
And Anderson, no, I didn't broke her out, but just I make the other perfection can't come out of her.
No, I'm already backward now miss me. Backward miss me.
Mula, come on for this. Your braids.
When we done strip. When the people come out here. When the people come out here, land with me. A G5 me have a strip.
That's be nice, boy.
My body clean, we can't
No,
strip.
the ear look good, for real, you know. The ear look good.
You look well clean one more time.
The ear look good.
It look good?
Look good. Eric's looking good though.
Eric, more in my life. Eric.
Tashika said, love you like crazy.
Love you, baby.
Oh, love baby said baby. Now it's baby, right? Before it wasn't baby.
I love you.
So you look like a modeler. Love Trudy. I told you. Yes, I told you. Me tell you. Can't. Do what you want her to do with it? You want her to see like that? No, me want Julie. Do you want you?
Enough money up in the ear. Nice.
Or even man it up in the ear. You know, go away. Yeah, that's nice. Very nice. Yes. Alright, Canada said they love you. Canada said they love you.
I'm gonna watch the live and see that. Yes, I love you, Mom.
Ma, yes, going live.
Yes, Laverne, go. I need it. God.
So everybody else said them need that ear there.
That area is there. I'm sure I'm doing that. Come on, baby.
You look so good, I swear to you, Chrissy.
No more pants down my back there.
Oh my god, you look so good on this. Oh my god. Barbie doll. James say you're a Barbie doll. Oh my god. Everybody keeps saying you need to put on lashes.
I'm gonna put them on, but we can't manage them.
So you know, put them on. Oh, Julie Tracy Sweet said, tell you she miss you. She's in LA. Yeah. Lace by Jules. Instagram. Sandra say your ear look boom done. Tamara said, please keep this look. No, I'm not repeating that, Ron. I like this look. Yeah, I like this look. I like this look. Hello.
You look like Christy.
Let's turn it around.
You look like Ronaldinho, here, right?
Hold on.
Yeah. Don't know. Me still just like boy. Me still clean. How I'm told man. Hey, yo. Right now, me look like, yo, you know Kinte? We say football, right? Yeah, man. Me look like Ronaldinho. Yeah, me a Brazilian now. You understand what I deal with? Yeah. Me look like Neymar. You understand what I deal with? I am the, what's your name? Bombard. Hot daddy. What? You bad man. Me look like a Chinese. Oh. Yeah, I am your Hey! You want me to get it? I'm going to show you all my thigh.
Hello, come on. Give up the phone now. Come with your phone.
I feel like an whore tonight.
No, come on.
I wish I answered.
Sit there in that chair, that's all.
Oh, they don't want to see Chinese. Function song.
Tell the hairdresser bye.
Hello. Hello, kiss me. Yes, man. Yeah, man. That glad kick up, you know. You know, I start kick on and beat, you know.
I'm Nicole put on the makeup.
What's your makeup lady there?
In there, but you're not going to be able
No
to keep
want
that
makeup. Oh, I'm not going to wait tonight, so I need
yeah,
the
you're
makeup.
going out, but you're not going to be able to keep that on until you're ready for sure, because it's not going to sweat.
Wait, the show tonight?
No, but the foundation she wants.
Me just want. You are total. I want. They say they give me a total makeover. A total gas.
Sit there, it might pay feet.
You have pay for it? How I pay for? That look, hey, youth, me not do it.
Come.
Yeah, man, my name Ming Ha. That's my new name. My name Prettii than again. My name Failing or Mailing or Ling Ling. Call me Ling Ling. That's my name after now. Oh, you mean if me a man see me? You never see man with tall hair yet? Function song. My woman says she want grab in her head. And she didn't feel a way, so me trim me hair what day. Bumbuckler Mulla say, why?
Mula,
Yeah,
go
man.
away. Bye.
Your brother just give it to me. Mula! And then the Batman settings, man. You remember how it
Hold on,
going on?
let me say something.
Hey.
So, Jules, Lace by Jules, Instagram.
You see how my lace bad? Whenever I see a young man cute, sir? Huh? No?
Come and say, you're pretty.
Ma come out here. Little say, yo, Dad, what is this? Little, Pele. Me name Mailing now. Failing. No, me name Ling. Huh? Hey, no, hold the camera for me so make them see me because they don't want to see Mailing. I whip my hair back and forth, I whip my hair back and forth, I whip my hair back and forth. Fuck on her. And if I can't whip here, kiss me ass.
Will you stop it?
What? I whip my hair back and forth, I whip my hair. So why I did say, when I say why I say blood cleat straight? A straight ear I did say because Mailing look good now. Ling, you're up Ling. I swear. No, Ling, you're gone. You come out here, Ling. No, Ling, you come out. Danling. Oh, God. Oh, that sound good. Danling. Come on, Ling. Let's go. Come. Oh, Lord God. Me say you want to see me later. Me come out. Me a come out later. Me a, oi, me girl. Oi, hey. Me a come out. My name Ling now, I'm sorry. Danling. Ling to the world. Ling. It's okay, you know, see how I'm good enough. Jesus, rain all fall. What a blessing. Rain a fall, I'm not run out. Listen, oi, me, rain a fall, I'm not run out a little blessing. Them know say me have to put on the last week for my head and Father God say, yes girl, you look good. Yes girl, me send down a shower a blessing. And show you all your heart. You're nice, girl. You're nice. Thank you for show a blessing, Father God. But do nobody not up me here. Me I beg you, please. Yes. Ling are the hottest thing right now. Bumbuckler Ling, I go back in the job top, you know. Me say, you don't want to see Ling later, you know. Ling are good as. Whoa, pretty girl, Ling, come out. Danling to your thing. You feel me? I am Ling. Boy, all tonight my pussy go wet, sir. My girlfriend have to go find something to do with the hole in her night, yeah, my love. Eh?
What happened?
Them say you come out, Nadine. Nadine, you come out, man.
Me? What did I do?
We are girl now. We are
She
girl.
said she's hungry. I get something for her. Go get her,
I'm hungry. I forgot. Hey, we are going to put on a piece of blood clot drinking, you see?
because if she want food, she go and go cook her there herself.
You not cook? I'm going to
You
tell
know
you.
this hours and
I'm going to tell you, so if you put 2 fish in our oven.
Fish in the fridge, but me not
Hey,
cook
girl,
hours
pick
and
if eat good fish, clean then crutch.
fish is in me have every type of seafood in my house.
Buck up in a, me say, look more, buck up in a Jones have thugs and the De La Vega thugs, stop bank, stop man them.
Wait until I got the
I'm
house.
come back, I can't, my God said
But mom said about the ear.
Mommy love it. Mommy say me come out. You know, she say me change my name to Ling now. Girl, me no want to hear no more pretty blood clot than me a Ling. And every time I come, I want the same ear. Even when me I do my hair in the next 2 weeks, I want the same lace. I come out.
So I did a good job then.
Yeah, that's what I say. The curly one now.
The curly one will not look good too.
No, but curly one not
So-
gonna look like Ling.
Hold on, guys. So do y'all hold on? What happened?
Watch ya now.
Hold on,
Oh,
turn
my
on the
seatbelt
light.
off.
I mean, I'm none. So guys, do you think I did a good job with her?
Yes, Ling. Ling Ling up right now. A Ling Ling. Drop it up. Jesus Christ, me out dead.
It was raining, wasn't it?
It not real no. Jesus Christ, me I got dead.
Yeah, I got blow out because it needs to dry.
No, I want it for blow. My car looks so cute on this in my car, so somebody man need to see me. Before I reach to my girlfriend this night.
No, we're going out, so no, this
oh
night.
shit, we are going.
We're going out.
Bumbuckler dear Mulla, no. Mulla
Was being rude just now. Mulla forgot to talk about him and go Kemiga hotel. Mulla take this thing from.
No, in the hotel?
Yes.
Hotel?
You can't imagine.
I must like what we always go to go party.
Can't me not go much hotel go party.
From the last time when I find Kinika Jacons in a freezer to blood clot. For that, me not to find them there's something nice to do. Yes, Ling Ling to you, baby. Jesus Christ, me cute one more time. On a lucky. Tired out.
I'm gonna get her something healthy to eat and
healthy?
Then go to
like what?
No. Oh, dip. Go the wrong way.
Onion dip. I want something more I gotta eat.
You're going to eat it.
Don't make your man say your man don't want me this a man body girl, yeah.
Not when you see her later.
Not when you see me later, me go up.
The ear a blow, look there. Whoa. The ear blow. Yeah. The ear blowing.
Yes, girl. I remember one time I used to catch up the one like a piece of ear up by a bump your son. And one day I wanna bring me down. When they tell me about how my head dry and them thing there. And it did hurt me. And I never tell her this until now when time I have been Brazilian. Kiss me ass and I can't talk about my ear again. Me hurt, man. Me still hurt, me not lie. Watch ya, baby. Mulla.
What am I saying?
Baby.
Baby what? What?
He say don't mean no hotel like how you are talking about, cause I'm not running down for no sex.
Baby what? Baby what, Mulla? Yeah, the nails. So I forgot to change the color of the nails.
Hello?
Is that mom?
Hello? Yeah. No, my left.
I am right here, Mulla.
Oh, you should have cut look how long me down there. Yeah.
I'm right here.
Oh, so where you go tonight?
Today.
Get there, fuck that. Me not go there, so me I go decent people place. I'm going to have me to Long Island 3, 4, 5, 10 Long Island iced teas, get fucked up and go to sleep. Yeah, me start live like rich people now. White life. Me not do black life again. Black life don't matter.
Mama Red's up.
Yeah, white
go
people go to the bar, have a drink and go home. Right now we're about to go have something to eat.
You hear Mama Red says she wants to see
Mama Red wants to see me here, I go on. So y'all gotta get there for two? Me not go there, so me not got them common place again. No, I don't care about everybody and them mama. Well, I'm going to South Beach and them rich place there. Them rich place them want there. You know the one bag of sweat up club with the same molly people I'm not going nowhere. One bag of shut up. How much I'm charging for me? As 15,000 I'm spending on my head a while.
Shut up.
I'm playing. Are you, of course?
Yeah, she look good. She look good, Mama Reds. That's why I have to switch her up a little bit. Is Lace by Jules. She's on Instagram.
Me not have
what
no
you
girl.
talking about?
Listen, my girlfriend is 18 years old. I got 19. I am not a child molester. She grew. She big. A big girl.
Mama Red says she love it.
I love you, Mama Red.
She says she love your ear.
Oh, I love my ear too, baby. If me look cute, one. So girl will wash head I go. Enough girl we are thinking head come a dance down. Enough girls think and come a dance.
Only you alone rich in a moolah.
Right now, I don't want nobody to ramp with my like a frontal because I don't want nobody to drag me in my head and draw off my wig. Oh, no bitch can't come find me and drag off my
Her
ear.
name is Lace by Jules. Instagram, guys.
No, sir. If my lace nice one more time, girl, I'm a baby ear them just sit down, so girl. No, me,
Thank
girl.
you, Anderson.
Right now, I look like Ling Ling, girl. A Ling Ling this attack to you right now. Ling Ling.
Hey,
May I go back to your life?
I was just
Call
about
me
to tell you that I am not the one that they want to talk to in your life. It's you. Thank you.
Baby. Well, oh, we gonna get something to eat, babe. And then me I gonna get my clothes in for tonight and something. Look like a decent people, girl, pit me.
Your mom said, did you spoke to her?
Not true, mama has fucked to them. My mom?
Yeah, what did she say?
She love it.
I told you.
She do love it.
I told you. See, we outvoted mom. We outvoted everyone. We did. We did.
Shirley, love you, baby.
We did.
Give Nadine back your phone. Hey, boy, call Nadine for now. Oh, I hit me.
Are you on my phone?
But come on. Come on, see?
Come on, oh, you forgive me, but oh, you for call me on the phone when you have the phone.
Babe, what you mean you're not seeing me today? Of course you're seeing me today. Stop. Yo, I know why you saying you're not seeing me today because I've been saying, babe, I've been having a rough ass week. You don't even know. But you're seeing me today. I promise.
Stop making promises. Unless Mula Kara come, which part you there?
No, Mula come for you. Mula say, one time we reach where we are reach, but for sending me, I just say, can come for you, girl.
Mula.
A Mula girl is Mula a fight for the life, yeah. He must chew a bomb and grenade by everyone.
What's this?
Talk it truth, babes. Yeah, I always say just like man with a girl face. I eat my like.
Guys, this I am not gonna go too extreme with her on the the
eyelash thing.
the eyelash and stuff like that because not even me, when I put on eyelash, it stay on me for like 3 days. Me can't really wear eyelash because when it start burn my eyes, it got to go.
Me not tell
So
no
I'm
lie.
not gonna know how she gonna feel with that.
A wicked girl wear eyelash every day because you know wicked to no blood clot eye feather them. Some girl can't even take off them blood clot them, you know.
Taurine.
But Taurine? So we have to pop the top.
Yeah,
Put
it's
it
a
back.
drip.
It's a drip already, you know? Oh, it wicked, sir.
Sorry,
Come
so
out
I have
here.
to go get the stuff first.
Where?
I'll get something to eat.
And then we go to the pina colada then. Love her and daughter look pretty. Man, no, man, cigarette, not true, man, she look good one more time.
Yeah, she looks good.
Are you them attack this time, not me? You come
Thank
out
you guys. Look
Fake-
good enough with your face.
Yeah, fake eyebrow is not for me.
I don't even wear
You know,
fake
say
eyebrows.
after a while it's a take with them here, right?
I don't even wear fake. I say I put it on and like within 3
Some
days.
girl not have no eye feather left. I be they cut the fake one and draw them off. On Oakland, we're in Oakland and it's dripping. Like that. Shirley, the right answer too, so she wonder which part it has rain. Which part? Where? Mama Red's me that dead with laughter. Mother dead with laughter, Mama Red.
When Shirley's there.
Shirley, I go which part we does I come from, go put her one of them, yeah.
Okay, so when Mama Red's I say,
She a dead with laugh.
Oh?
She a dead with laugh.
Oh, why?
I fed them, I call them.
Go to Julie, if you're going, and it's the weekend, so she cut off very early because she was packed.
You want to know if you drive a
Yeah,
single? No, mula woman.
So if you're going there, I'm on commercial. No, she's on commercial and 31st. Shirley. Mula. Alright, so she's on commercial and 31st. Go into the ear place and ask for Julie. Greg is also the manager inside there. I know so all on a party, so you will see him inside there. Diamonds? Yeah.
Diamond girl?
Yeah, diamond girls. A diamond girl?
No, sir, one diamond girl.
But it depends 31st and commercial. Julie are the best. Yes, Mama Reds. You know it already. Lace by Jules. Yes, she's late. She slates. She slates.
Don't you want me to come out loud here? Come out loud.
Her name is Julie. But you have to get there because there's a lot of people there, and then there's a time she just tell them she cutting off. Today's Saturday, so you know how that go. Shirley, her name is Julie.
Shirley, bye. Hi, my fans. Shirley, leave, man. But just tell you where me I come from, you know. Oh, Mula strong, sir. Him love your body, no?
What am I saying?
No.
Say no one in a top 10.
Classic girl, not diamond girl.
Yeah, classic girl. There you go.
Classic girl.
Yep. Who got that? Who got it just now? Somebody got it right.
Yeah.
Yeah, classic girl. Thank you.
Look how much
No. Shirley, classic girl. Thank you, Jojo. What am say? Julia the best on yes. Julie is the one that I go through. What year?
No man to my woman. I already tell her. If you really man don't want no man I come I talk about
yes,
him,
classic girls. Thank you, Chef.
Hey Mula, come out strong for him fucking woman and I need to stop it. The youth them don't want a bumbo clock body. I call to him woman low out. Call hero. Who no got call him because I call a posted up on the phone.
It was raining up here, look. See, look, it did rain.
Yo, him never there with him phone there yet, yeah. Him never there with him phone there yet. Mama Reza run Mula go sleep.
What's that, Marco?
I tell Mula to go sleep.
Why?
You never see a boy pretty someone.
Mama Red phone?
So she got a whole away so her son them. Alright, that's true. I'm not gonna cuss anymore.
Not while you're looking pretty like that.
Hold on
Hey,
there.
rain
I can't run this.
here, you know? Eh?
Hold on, this is my fan.
The who?
Tasha, you don't know that just true I have the iPhone. I just switch over everything, that's why. I, my love, big up my #1 fan, Natasha. The other day, she buy me my phone and made have them there. Yeah.
That's
She
good.
come out here.
Bless up.
Yeah, she come out. Me a stop call.
Yup. Thank you. I appreciate.
I will
Stop
try
call.
to. I started her screen. Come out strong. The strongest this will come out.
And the best.
I'm gonna rock it like a diva soon and let down my ear and make it blow.
Look good. Mad them. Mama red say if you mad them. Pretty done come out strong, mama. Can't wait to see you rock it like a yes, tonight she is, so you guys will see her live. Reels when the road.
Something on the car for me, my phone. You know I'm supposed to can't read.
What?
No one that I can't read sometimes.
Hold on, wait once.
Because we can't use them smart car. Yeah. Them have 4 series, yeah, back to the blood clean full future car. Them, yeah. This is not a 2012, 13, or 14, 15, or 16, buddy. Them are smart things.
Oh,
yeah.
what is that? Alright.
It's that I done eat, I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna drink.
The song I want to hear, I don't see me just
Rara, I eat more.
No, I don't want to hear more hear what she named there. Did play first and you say another other song there.
Which ones?
What she named the man?
Why I can try?
Aishana.
Oh wait, what is the song name?
The one you did play and you said
I wasn't playing it, it was a mixtape.
Alright, whatever, that's the song I want to hear.
Well, me no, well, me I can find back. Aishana, yeah, me not listen to them again.
No song with Aishana.
Nothing wrong with Aishana.
No, she's not doing no cussing tonight. None whatsoever. Because if she start, me already tell her, no cussing tonight. We're not upon them negative vibes tonight. No negative vibes.
You sure it's that Aishana?
The first song we did play before you find the other song.
What did Aishana?
Sound like her.
Well, sound like, tell me, sound like Aishana too different.
I don't know. Whatever. No, Aishana that. Aishana that. Yeah.
I never understand that play today.
Which one? But Aishana.
I never Aishana. Yeah, mommy? Yeah. Alright, by the way, the doll, right? Yeah, the doll is good too. Alright. Alright, mommy. I eat me go for go play.
What is
I eat
the man stop right in the here. Oh my god.
No, I eat me that go play. Everybody I request my song.
Yo, the man stop right from the man.
Inefficiently.
And them now
Expensive
move.
imports, industrial beers made as efficiently as possible.
And lick him want him lick him now?
Me know.
Faster fermentation, whatever
Come,
it
what
takes
is
to
on
drive
there?
down
Them
costs.
say the why, them say the one the boring.
Hello.
Them
I
request.
drive.
See, everybody I request
And
them
me
want
a
here.
drive.
Oh, you so take up on a live. It's never about you. Who the fuck you think you is? I damn it about.
Wait.
Aye, you know how much days me have to stop when me want to do that, so please them.
And me, hello. When we can't pull over, we walk.
Make the whole our walk.
Make we walk.
All told you that how you walk the blood clot night. Turn up them song, they say I feel them favorite song now.
Yes, let me see.
I hate them song.
Hold on, let me see.
The rah-rah. The one that they play before the pop.
Me not see, no, somebody said be a hold up.
Ask them. If them
Hey, Lisa.
the rah-rah. That's the song. It's been the song I'm playing for a week
Listen,
straight.
Venice, hold on.
Nobody not listen to Aishana, girl. We are good as round here. And why no wine up body round here? And him name the Rara. Everybody asks me about it.
She don't know off it for me like your baby. You better not shoot. Just bring the rum, me up the way. So she want me for me say come over me yard now. So me cock it up on the dress and me fuck it hard.
Yes, this one.
Me fuck it hard. Up inna your belly, that's where me cock it hard. She a cock and then she on the phone and she a call. Never answer the call. Touch it, Louis, bags. Stash it, Louis, glass. Touch it, Louis, bags. Stash it, glass. And anything she just in a step in a elegant. And if I know no brand, then it's irrelevant. Touch it, Louis, bags. Stash it, Louis, glasses. Let me carry your shopping. You happy? Close tag, you poppy. You so happy? Champagne, you poppy. You poppy. Expensive clothes for your sexy body. Woman on me. That on me. Broke your heart, no sorry. Me no sorry. Bring your tongue in at the ground now. Chip up your knee. You know, money. You know where granny baggy. No. Say she want people come me say come over me yard. No. So me cock it up on the dress and me fuck it hard. Me fuck it hard. Up inna your belly, that's where me cock it on. She a cock and then she call me phone and she a call. Never answer the call. Touch it, Louis, bags. Stash it, Louis, glass. Touch it, Louis, bags. Stash it, glass. And anything she just in a step in a elegant. And if I know no bread, then it's irrelevant. Touch it.
We're rich, you know.
Louis, bags. Stash it, Louis, glasses. Louis, bags. Stash it, Louis, glasses. Touch it, Louis, bags. Stash it.
Baby, wait till me see you later.